Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy DEGEN token on Coinbase wallet. So once you are on your Coinbase and you want to buy this DEGEN token, you want to go ahead and go to uniswap.org and launch the application, because DEGEN token is only can be swapped basically on Uniswap. You cannot just buy it on Coinbase. You can only receive it on Coinbase. So first of all, go ahead to Uniswap, and then you want to go ahead and connect your Coinbase wallet. Click on it. Now, once it has been connected, you want to go ahead, select on the networks here, and you want to choose the base network because the DEGEN token is on base network. From here, you need to have Ethereum or for example, WETH. This is basically the one which is with DEGEN token. So on DEGEN, you want to now select the token here. You can go ahead and try to search for it, or you can go ahead and copy the contract address and enter it here. Here is the DEGEN token, which we're going to use. Now, you need to have this on your Coinbase wallet. So now, if you don't have this on your Coinbase, you want to first swap it from, for example, Ethereum, and have this swapped on Uniswap, because on Coinbase, again, this cannot be found. After this, you will be able to go ahead and swap it to DEGEN. You can also buy basically DEGEN with Ethereum. It doesn't really matter, but I believe you will get better results with this one. Now you will enter the amount which you want to go ahead and sell, and that's how much you will get of the DEGEN, and then you will be able to buy it. The gas fee is only 1 cent, and because you are on base network is always has a low gas fees. And yeah, after this you will be able to see it on your assets here, DEGEN token. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.